Oh, look at that. Look at that, another vintage item. This time it's a super fancy vintage fire alarm that I got out of a dumpster. It's from 2001, so let's see if it can hold up to today's standards. Of course, it's just one of those items that just has to fly around once it gets hit. Just can't stay where it should. Me. Oh, I put a chip in the concrete with that one. Of course, it's just another, again, one of these items that just flies everywhere when you hit it. Just can't stay where it should. There we go, no more fire alarm.